Okay, my company from China, and we mainly do forklift parts, and we have a big warehouse in China that can supply you almost all brands of forklifts, like mainly Toyota, TCM, Nichiu, like this, and all Chinese like Hangcha, Heli, main brands in China. And I have been working in this area for 14 years. So after college, I started this business, and then I continue doing this. My ideal clients should be like a repairing center for forklifts, and also some clients maybe who wanted to have warehouse for forklift parts in Australia, and we can support them with a big warehouse also. Event, yes, it can bring us like target clients here, but accurate because it's a exhibition for logistics. So yes, we can like communicate them very directly here.